Hi family, welcome back to my channel. This is where we take Dollar Tree finds and do some DIYs. If this is your first time coming, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. So let's get started. So, before we start our St. Patty's Day DIY, I wanted to share with everybody that I got a new hot glue gun. This is the one I had before. There's like glue stuck in it. My daughter uses it all the time and she's like put crayon. It's a hot mess. So we are literally done with this little pink one. And we got a new one. And it's more industrial, I feel. And it came with finger protectors since I keep burning all of my fingers every time I hot glue. So we got these with it too. If you want to see or you want to pick yourself up a new hot glue gun, I will put the link down in the description below so you can check it out. So just a little side note, the link is an affiliate link with Amazon and I will receive a small portion of it if you click that link and you purchase a hot glue gun. And like always, I like to have a nice cold drink whenever I DIY. So let's go ahead and crack a cold one. That one's good. Blackberry and lime. So we're gonna take these signs that I picked up at the Dollar Tree and we're gonna make them into St. Patty's Day sign. They're gonna spell out luck. So let me show you what we're gonna do first. So we're actually gonna only use this middle piece. So we're gonna go ahead, find the scissors. We're gonna go ahead and take it off. Okay. This piece, we're not gonna use. So my next step is I'm going to try to get this off here. But if I can't, I'm just gonna use the back of it. But I wanna try to, oh look at that. It just kind of peels right off. Which is perfect because I'm just going to lay down some paper so I don't get paint on the tablecloth. And I just picked up this craft paper at the Dollar Tree. Paint this green, and I'm gonna use a green that I picked up from Michael's. I'm using a Martha Stewart sea glass green. I actually like to shop for acrylic paints when they're on clearance. So I actually picked this up on clearance for $2. So this is the one we're gonna use. So let's try painting the front of it first. So we're just gonna go ahead and do it with the back. Ready? Remember the first time I met you, the way that it made me feel. But later something changed between us, and now I don't know where we meet. I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I get unstable, I get unstable. So I got these wooden picture frames that I picked up, and we are going to use these for our signs. So let's try to pop these off because I just want just this piece. Oh, look at that. It was so easy. We don't need that. I get unstable. I get unstable. I push you back. I hold you close. Push you back, hold you close. So here is what the finished product looks like, all ready for St. Patty's Day. If you loved this DIY, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see what goes on in my daily life, or you want to see where I get my inspiration from, you can check out my Instagram account and my Pinterest account. I'm gonna link those down in the description below. I really appreciate you guys stopping by and watching my St. Patty's Day DIY. My next one that I'm gonna do is some Easter ones. But I am looking for some more ideas, so if you guys have any ideas that you want me to do, go ahead and put it down there in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Oh wait, don't forget to subscribe.